Been on my grind. I know that my schedule is busy, but
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another review on a wig from HeraRemy, and this unit is called Ariana, and she comes in the color OET4/613. So the color of this unit is amazing, and it's a light yaki texture. The cap construction is 2 combs in the front and adjustable straps. So I am going ahead and putting her on my head. It was not hard, I just have a big head. This is what the unit looks like when you first put it on straight out of the box without any tweaking. So as beautiful as it looks, I did go ahead and run my flat iron through it. Well, I actually didn't run the flat iron through it. I actually had to like section little pieces. So that is just a tip if you do go ahead and buy this unit, to go through each piece like I'm doing, because it already comes like pre-curled. So I mean, if you want that bone straight look, you're gonna have to just section pieces off, but it literally took me like 15 minutes. So I did go ahead and finish the rest off camera, and I was so in love with how it turned out. It looked so good. I was like, I shouldn't even cut it, I should just keep it like this. So the best way I'd recommend to cut the hair is by wetting it first. I just feel like cutting wet hair is probably easier. I also seen Miss Chrissy J do this, so I'm like, okay, she did it and hers turned out bomb, so I'm gonna do it. And do not mind my wet roll, but this is the fun part. So basically you put your hair up in a pony, and when you're measuring how long you want your blunt cut to be, make sure you pull the ponytail lower, because if it's high, then your cut is going to be super high. So make it low as you want. Okay, cutting time. So do not, I repeat, do not cut how I am cutting. I did not cut from behind, like I made the ponytail like slanted so I could cut it easier. Cut it on a wig stand, or just don't turn it to the side, because that is why one side was longer, but I was able to trim that off. So after I snipped that little uneven part off, this is how it was looking, and y'all, I was literally so shook. I'm like, oh my god, this looks so bomb. Like, it came out just how I wanted. So then I'm doing the part, and when I tell y'all, this powder is literally the holy grail for me when it comes to synthetic units. Like, look how natural the part looks as you see me applying more powder. Like, it just looks so good, and it blends so good with my skin. No more concealer for me, for show. I'm in love with this unit, you guys. To be honest with y'all, this hair low-key looks like a quick weave. Like, literally, like, it looks human. It feels human as well. Like, y'all need to get this. That's all I'm gonna say. That is all I'm gonna say. I love it. Like, the color, like, the cut, yes. Like, y'all need this. It's popping. Is from HeraRemy, and the name is Ariana, and it is in the color OET4/613. You guys can see I made this into like a blunt, sort of a blunt cut. I'm not the best when it comes to cutting hair, so yeah, don't take it literal, but it looks pretty good to me. This unit is a human hair blend, so it is synthetic, but I did go ahead and customize the parting just a little bit, and there is no shedding or tangling yet, and I've just been kind of playing with it. Cut it, of course, to get this cute little like blunt bob. I really tried. I've never done it before, so don't come for me. But look at that part. It looks super natural. And I'm actually feeling it, like feeling it, but like not all the way feeling it, because I'm just not used to this look, I guess. So the cap construction is it's just this part. It isn't like a full ear-to-ear lace, which is not a problem. You can have it to the side or down the middle like I have it. This is definitely another Bad and Bougie on a budget. For $20, that's like nothing, and this hair is extremely soft. The texture is silky. It was very yucky after before I flat ironed it, but after I flat ironed it, it became silky. I actually like it though. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you want to see more videos of me changing wigs to make them look better, or whatever you guys want to see, just request it and I'm open to doing so. It's definitely giving me like Cardi B, Karrueche, Black China vibes. I forgot what it was, but they all like have blunt bob cuts and it was just so cute. The difference is I have the roots, and that kind of reminds me of Nicki Minaj's, but hers was a little bit longer. I didn't want to keep it that long though, so but I am feeling it. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments in the comment section like always, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.